Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to update the DramaBox app to the latest version on your phone. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the App Store. This is the blue icon with a white A. Once you're on your home page, tap your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Here you will see all your apps that have updates available. Scroll down to the update available section. Look for the DramaBox in the list. If you see it, that means an update is ready to install. Next to DramaBox, tap Update. The video will start automatically. Once it finishes, the button will change to open, which means you now have the latest version installed. To make future update easier, you can turn on automatic update. This way, DramaBox will always update automatically when a new version is released. And that's it. Now you know how to update DramaBox to the latest version on your phone, so you can enjoy all your favorite dramas and movies without any problem. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.